Take the battery pack and twist the lock to perpendicular position. Now, pull it with a lot of force because there is a kind of suction in that. Place 4 AA crate batteries inside. See the link in the description for Energizer Ultimate. Those batteries last longer by a long shot of any other batteries. Finally, replace the cap and twist the locker to parallel position. And we are done.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!